From Badlapur to Kolkata, let's talk about the investigations currently underway on part of the CBI in the RJ Kar Medical College rape and murder case. In the latest, we're learning an associate of Sanjay Roy, the main accused in the case, has been summoned for questioning by the CBI. This, remember, also comes at a time that we've seen the Trinamool Congress, who's facing a lot of criticism, not just from the opposition in West Bengal, the common people in West Bengal, the medical fraternity, but also the top court of the country that has earlier today asked some very pertinent questions to the Trinamool Congress. The TMC on its part, though, remember, has been turning up the heat on the central agency probing the rape and murder case of the junior doctor. This has shaken the entire country, but the TMC continues to say that the CBI was handed over the case on the 14th of August. It's been days at length and there's not been a single update. But comes this particular piece of news that an associate of Sanjay Roy, the main accused in the case, has been summoned for questioning by the CBI. I want to go across to Arunima joining us with more details. Do we know more about the accused's aide in this case, Arunima? Who is this associate of Sanjay Roy?
He is also somebody who is in the Kolkata Police, Kolkata Armed Police, the KAP. Sanjay Roy used to live in the 4th barrack of the KAP. He was a civic volunteer, and there were a lot of associates within the police fraternity who were known to him. So one assistant sub-inspector was summoned earlier, and after his questioning, another colleague or associate who is in the service, but who knew Sanjay Roy, he's been called in. I think they are both being questioned to ascertain the behavior pattern of Sanjay Roy. Is he known by his colleagues and friends as somebody who's violent in nature, who's volatile, or whose behavior pattern is not, respectful towards women? Those are the questions that are being put forward after the psychometric test happened. The lie detector test is also being conducted. And while the CBI tries to find a pattern to Sanjay Roy's answer, these aides are being questioned for more of his, personality analysis also as to what could be the motive of crime, because CBI officials feel that he is not telling them the full truth.
Absolutely. This comes at a time, Arunima, that the top court of the country earlier today said it appears that the crime was detected in the early hours, but the medical college principal, the then principal, Mr. Dr. Ghosh, tried to pass it off as a suicide. There is a lot of criticism which, the then principal continues to face, and those questions indirectly being asked to Mamata Banerjee's government as well, in order to ensure that there's no cover-up, no sort of shielding at play as far as the main accused is concerned. These kind of interrogations become extremely crucial to the ongoing probe, isn't it?
Yes, I spoke to the parents a short while back, and they are convinced that the principal's role must be, punished. They're convinced that he is liable for at least destruction of evidence, if not more. And the parents also told me that they have told the CBI. If you recall, yesterday the CBI team sat with the parents for more than 6 hours at their residence and had a very thorough discussion. So the parents at the end of it told me today that they have reiterated their suspicion about the principal. They have reiterated what they know about the medical superintendent, about the head of the department, and about the assistant super who called and told them that the girl had committed suicide. So based on what the parents are telling them, and I must point out here, the parents have also, pointed out to CBI that there was a notepad that was found at the scene of crime. This notepad is like a small little pad where doctors usually take their notings, but 3 pages from this notepad, it appears, were torn and in a huff. They were literally torn away, and the family somehow, through their police source, managed to find a picture of one of the torn pages, which they have handed over to CBI. What are the content of the other 2 pages? Can that torn page and that notepad provide any insight into the crime? Did somebody tear those pages off while, the body was discovered in the morning and while the FIR process was going on? So was this part of the destruction of evidence? These are all questions that the parents have put before CBI now, hoping they'll find an answer to it.
Okay. And, these visuals on our screens that we're flashing are of that associate who's been called in for questioning by the CBI, running away from the questions being posed by the media. Arunima, many thanks for joining us with those details. You spoke of the interaction you had with the victims' family members, the parents who say that they have full faith in the CBI probe, but have also spoken of how the suspicion doesn't end at the then principal, but also at other staff members of RJ Kar Medical College. Listen into this conversation.
सीबीआई को 7 दिन हो चुके हैं इस चीज को प्रूव करते हुए, आज 6ठा दिन है। आपको अभी तक कोई हिंट मिला है कि उनका प्रूव किस डायरेक्शन में?
नहीं मिला।
नहीं मिला। ওনারা বলেছেন এটা লম্বা প্রসেস, আমাদের সময় দিন।
ওনারা আশা দিয়েছেন, এটাই আমরা বলতে পারি।
ओके, आप लोगों को शक था शुरू से कि कोई इनसाइडर जॉब है?
है अभी भी है, जितना टाइम
तो आपने जब सीबीआई के लोगों ने आपसे पूछताछ की कि इनसाइडर जॉब, आपने उनको कुछ बताया इनसाइडर जॉब
ये
के
तो
बारे
नहीं, बाहर में नहीं बोलेंगे।
बट आपने कुछ तो उनको बताया
यही
होगा ना?
है बोला, जो लड़की में हमको इन्फॉर्म किया है सब बात
ওনারা
बता
বলেছেন ওনাদের উপর ভরসা রাখতে আমাদের।
সিবিআই লোকজন বলেছেন এবং আমরা ওদের উপর ভরসা রাখছি, কোর্টের উপর ভরসা রাখছি
সুপ্রিম
এবং
কোর্টের উপর ভরসা রাখছি, আমরা সবার উপর
রাজ্যের উপর সবার উপরে ভরসা রাখছি এবং আপনাদের উপরেও उपरंतु
উপরেও ভরসা আছে
आपका ऊपर भी हम लोग का भरोसा है।
भरोसा है। एक और चीज सर, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने थर्सडे को मतलब डे आफ्टर टुमारो बोला है सीबीआई को भी और वेस्ट बंगाल पुलिस को भी कि आप जो है अपना स्टेटस रिपोर्ट दीजिए। तो आपको उम्मीद है कि इस स्टेटस रिपोर्ट में आपको उम्मीद है कि जो आपका एप्रीहेंशन था कि एक से ज्यादा लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं, क्या
लेकिन
आपको लगता है?
ये सीबीआई कोशिश कर रहा है,
कोशिश कर रहा है,
कोशिश कर रहा
आपको उम्मीद है
है।
कि
हाँ, हमें
सच्चाई
उम्मीद है,
होगी?
हाँ, सच्चाई आएगा, जस्टिस मिलेगा।
और संदीप घोष से भी आज लगातार 5 दिन से पूछताछ हो रही है, सीबीआई ने कोई हिंट दिया कि क्या पता
नहीं, हम लोग पूछेगा नहीं इसके बारे में।
डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एविडेंस को लेके मैम?
नहीं, हम कुछ नहीं, यही सब के बारे में सब देख रहा है, हम कुछ नहीं। अब इंडिया में जो संविधान है उसमें एविडेंस मिटाना भी एक गलती है, इसका एक सजा होता है इसके लिए।
आखिरी सवाल है मेरा, आपने ये कहा था कि जिस दिन आपको पता चला इस हादसे के बारे में प्रिंसिपल का बर्ताव आपकी तरफ बहुत ही रूड था, वो
है उसने हमारे से बात भी नहीं किया सारे दिन। हम उधर 12 बजे से शाम 7 साढ़े 7 बजे तक था, उस टाइम में हमसे कोई बात नहीं।
आप
4 घंटा
आप भी मैम रिक्वेस्ट करती रही कि मेरा बेटी को जाने दो, मैंने खोया है, बट प्रिंसिपल की तरफ से कुछ वो नहीं आया।
ये रॉन्ग नहीं बोलेंगे।
কিছু নেই।
तो आपको भी शक है कि प्रिंसिपल कुछ छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, इसीलिए इस तरह का बर्ताव?
একদম
कोई अंदाजा क्या छुपा रहे थे?
আমরা বলে দিয়েছি সব, প্রিন্সিপাল মানে অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট সুপার, আমার মেয়ের ভিপি, আমরা সবার নামে বলে দিয়েছি।